Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be assembling the Fisher-Price 1 gym tapis. 4 ways to play. They are shown here. It's 1, 2, 3. The animal play all day. This is 4. Okay, so looks like very entertaining for the kids of that age. 30 minutes of music, 11 activity toys, also teaches animals and sounds, colors and shapes and number. Oh, very interesting. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons, big buttons. Okay, here we go. I will leave the link in the description of this product. Here we go. So this is, it says switch up the learning as they grow. So we go on the first one, age 0 month more. The second one is called Discover, age 3 months and up. Frog. Third one is called 6 months and more, Explore. So let's see what's inside of it. Also those modes all here, kick and play, piano, gym. This is 1, it's 2, 4 ways to play. This is 3 and this is 4. So to assemble it, so it requires 3 AA batteries and a Phillips head screwdriver. So it says also like adult assembly required. So here we go. So let's open it. It's coming off first. You can see a very beautiful mat. So we can see one more piece like this. It's just a spacer. Then this is also the main panel. Arc. Here we go. What else inside of it? Some additional toys. Mini mirror. And some other parts. And this is ball. That's pretty much it. Okay, let's see what instruction says. There's some screws, like it was mentioned. And this is assembly manual. So we can see the make and model here. Here we go. Comes out here. Another side, you see this? Turn to clockwise. Yeah, here we go. So this page number 1, number 2 just some description, number 3 we just did it already to unpack. Okay. Go to the next step, number 4. So it gives instructions how to put batteries on. Pretty straightforward. So we will be using for assembly this Phillips head screwdriver. Link will be in description under the video for all products and tools we used in the video. Actually battery were included, because on the box said that batteries were not included. Okay, it's good. Okay, the second step on page number 5 describes the parts. So this is all parts we got for this project. So also it says that 4 screws are included in the kit. So we can see here they are. So the next step on the page 6 right here on the top, it says take one of those arms and attach another piece, one of these ones. So here we go. It goes right, you can see, goes right over there. Those holes on a big long piece have to match the holes on a smaller piece. Step section number 3. So we should put those two elbows part and line up with the mat. So the mat goes this way. Next one we will put strap on and attach the mat to the. So to do this, I'm taking this strap, just and in. Make sure another side is come out as easy as this. Repeat for another one. Here we go. Now we're starting to do lane plane assembly. So we just put piano and line up those two bolts, screw it in all the way till we meet strong resistance. Same here. Here we go. This step is done. Let's go to the next step. So we take the arc and just fit in there. The next step is to touch the mirror. So we take the mirror, skim, and so at this point, lay and play assembly is ready. The next step, sit up assembly. So to sit up assembly, you just do following. So like we see on the picture, this is lay and play assembly. This one is sit up assembly. So we'll go from this setup to this setup. So to do this, we lose those things, those side bolts. So you see the position has changed. So the keys right face to up. Then those things just slowly pull up. Okay, so this is sit up assembly, as we can see here. And just important thing, don't forget to face mirror towards the baby, so baby can see what's the baby doing, and then you can adjust mirror wherever you want. So and for sit and play assembly, we should take off this mirror from the arc right over there. Also we can wrap her up or install mirror on the piano plate if we want, of course. Well, this way if we want. Otherwise we can keep it on a bracket. The next step is attach extra toys. Here we have all of them. We follow this picture and we hook them on one by one. Just like that. So here we go. So the order of all of those toys you can switch around wherever you want and put it in any order you want. Okay, so it's ready to go pretty much. So here we go, guys. As we can see, we finished assemble this toy. It's pretty straightforward, everyone can do it. Under the video in description I will leave the products and tools we used in the video and supplies. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as I can. Who consider this video useful, please hit the like button, consider subscribing. See you in the next videos. Bye.